Deep in the heart of central Java, surrounded by mist-covered hills and lush green valleys, stands a monument that has watched over Indonesia for more than 1,200 years. A temple so grand, so perfectly crafted, that even today, historians struggle to understand how such a masterpiece was built in the 8th century. This is Borobudur, the largest Buddhist temple on earth, a symbol of ancient wisdom, engineering, and spirituality. Built by the Sailendra Dynasty, Borobudur isn't just a temple. It's a journey, a pilgrimage carved into stone. Its 9 stacked platforms rise like a mountain, symbolizing the path from the world of desire to enlightenment. As sunlight touches the gray volcanic stones, more than 2,600 carved reliefs come alive, telling stories of Buddha's life, ancient kingdoms, and the universe itself. Each relief is carved with such precision that modern archaeologists still debate how workers, with no machines, created such detail. And at the top, 72 bell-shaped stupas guard a massive central dome, a silent gateway between earth and the heavens. But Borobudur's story is not just glory. For nearly 500 years the temple was abandoned, buried under volcanic ash and jungle growth. It slept beneath the earth, forgotten, until British explorers rediscovered it in the 1800s. Decades of restoration revived it. And today Borobudur stands again, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a symbol of Indonesian heritage, and one of the world's greatest ancient structures. During sunrise, when the sky paints the temple in gold and orange, you feel something deeper, a connection to the past. To the monks who once walked these paths. To the builders who carved their dreams into stone. Borobudur isn't just a monument. It's a message from history, whispering that spiritual wisdom lasts far longer than empires.